what happens when an estate does not have enough money and assets to cover the debts and the expenses of the estate, in addition to covering the value of the gifts in the will. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. A probate abatement is what happens. Before I learned what a probate abatement is, I thought abatement had to do with the eradication of insects. However, in the case of probate abatement, it speaks to the fact that there's insufficient funds or assets to cover the expenses and debts of a trust or a probate estate, plus cover the value of the gifts and legacies mentioned in a decedent's will. Thus, in probate, abatement is the process of fair reduction, diminishment, and termination of gifts because there are insufficient funds to cover the debts and expenses of the estate. So, how do you determine which gifts are reduced or diminished first? It's based on a hierarchy. California Probate Code 21402. The hierarchy is as follows: residuary gifts, things that are not specifically named to someone. Secondly, there are the general gifts, such as money or bequeathed. And lastly, there are specific gifts, things that are particularly named to someone, like a car, boats, or other property. Question of the day: have you been involved in a probate estate where an abatement took place? If so, let us know, was that process explained to you in the comments below. These gifts are normally reduced on a pro rata reduction basis. If there are 3 parties and they were supposed to get $10,000 each, however, there were only $20,000 left in the estate, each party will receive a third. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you are in the Southern California area and you are dealing with a probate and you have questions in reference to probate real estate, please reach out to us. My contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an estate planning attorney or a probate attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to reach out to me for a referral.